Following a series of deadly crashes along the Bustamante Highway in Clarendon, the authorities are taking action. The Clarendon Municipal Corporation recently announced improvements to the road, which will make it safer for motorists. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Bad roads, poor lighting, and speeding are often blamed for motor vehicle accidents along the Bustamante Highway in Clarendon. The highway, considered a crash hotspot, contributes greatly to fatalities in the parish yearly. Here's what it looks like at night. But that's all about to change, starting with the intersection of the highway and Fogo Road.
This area is especially dark because there's no lighting at this junction, because there are no GPS lines around here. But what we intend to do further is to install at least 2 poles here with solar street lamps in the coming week. So this will guide and assist the motorists at night while they are traveling and while they are negotiating the junctions along the Bustamante Highway.
Mapen Mayor Winston Mirage says a project aimed at improving the driving conditions along the roadway is now underway.
We have been cleaning them and we have been painting them with reflective paints, especially build paint to reflect at nights. And we are also planting what we call reflective poles, candlestick poles, along the edges of the roadway to guide the motorists at night.
As for speeding and reckless driving, the mayor made this appeal.
They stick to the speed limit, adhere to the road signs, and just be careful. You can't be too careful. And never be in a rush to go where you're going. Leave early.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.